Understanding legal separation in English. Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson in our series on basic English vocabulary related to family and relationships. Today, we're delving into a topic of significant importance: the legal aspects of marital status. In particular, we will be focusing on legal separation. We'll look at what it means, the associated terms, and how to use them correctly in English. Legal separation is a term used to describe a situation where a married couple decides to live apart, following specific legal procedures, but without getting a divorce. It's a distinct state, different from being married, divorced, or single. Here's a simple sentence to illustrate its use. After a lot of thought, John and Mary decided to get a legal separation. You can see that the term is used as a noun phrase in English, often preceded by the verb to get. In any discussion about legal separation, certain associated terms often come up. It's important to understand these as well. 1. Marital agreement. This is an agreement that married couples make to settle their affairs in case of a separation or divorce. For example, they had a marital agreement in place which made the process of legal separation smoother. 2. Alimony. This refers to the financial support that one spouse is required to pay to the other after a legal separation or divorce. Here's an example. Under the terms of their legal separation, John has to pay alimony to Mary. 3. Child custody. This is a legal term regarding guardianship. In the context of legal separation or divorce, it refers to the legal and practical relationship between a parent and their child. For instance, after their legal separation, they had a shared child custody agreement for their 2 kids. It's also helpful to know some common phrases and questions that are used when discussing legal separation. Here are some examples. John and Mary are legally separated. How long have they been separated? Are they divorced or just separated? These phrases can help you start a conversation on the topic or understand what others are talking about. Legal separation is an important topic when discussing marital status, and understanding the associated vocabulary can greatly improve your English communication skills in these contexts. Remember, legal separation, marital agreement, alimony, and child custody are key terms you'll want to remember. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.